Left hand. Yep. Alright, so I've seen multiple that say the left hand is supposed to go like that. Aft, so I'm going with it.
Speak up.
Either I looked at it. Oh. This is the left one, but I'm on the right side of the car. Damn it, how the hell did I get this through here? Three thick points. Damn it. So I'm just good and tighting the uppers, and actually I'm just gonna good and tight all of the suspension stuff that has to do with aligning it, because you need to go get an alignment done.
Absolutely.
Okay. So, and I can't, especially seeing how like this one was bent, we can put it back on with the same stuff, but it may be different now because we're not bent.
Right.
You know?
Yeah, I'm good with that.
Okay, just making sure we're on the same page. I mean, you should be able to go down the road and it's not going to fall off, but I wouldn't go on a road trip without getting in the line first.
Now let's go back on the trailer.
Okay. Thank you. Hey, I put it on the right way. That's always good. Oh, come on now. Don't you do that. All right. Okay. There you go. So didn't realize he left his stool out here. So the real way to do this is gonna end up being we let it down onto jack stands, and then once it gets to a certain basically the last point we can get the springs in, we let the weight of the car basically put itself down. Oof, that's terrible. I wonder how long that's been like that. Sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna take a little break. The other side of the arm's gonna go together just like the last one did. So I'll pick you guys up once we get to something new. Oh, the balls. That's just as heavy as I thought it was gonna be. Woo!
See if we can turn that.
You might need to. Oh. That sucks. Alright, go ahead and try to go up with the jack. Alright, keep going. You got. It is. Hold on. Sorry.
If we put some blocks into the back wheel.
The black wheel's on the ground. Just keep on going. Alright, stop.
Oh, you got that already? Over there? I do.
Damn, man, who taught you how to cotter pin? Oh, where my dikes at? That was a real thing. Huh? So that's not even a real thing.
Is it a tribute?
I pray to God this is it?
It looked like it could be it. Fuck yeah! I know what I'm talking about. Third time's a charm.
Third?
Fourth, whatever. Stop counting. That's like gonna drive like a dream. Already got good brakes on it.
Alright, let's do that. Alright. So, we are finally done. We got new links, new suspension, new bushings, new springs, new shocks, new ball joints, new tie rods, new upgraded sway bar, new sway bar links, adjustable control arms back here, new shocks, new composite leaf spring, and we added a sway bar, which you can barely see, but in the back here. So this thing will run real good around the track for Mr. Dan. So I don't know how many videos this ended up being, so I'll say for the one, we got everything apart. You got anything up there? Good catch. Here. Maybe it goes on that side? No. But yeah, so we ended up making good progress and getting it all done. So make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll check it out on the next one.